Good morning, world. It's your favorite auditor, Audit Them, the one who encourages you to audit them. I'm over here at the Cook County building. This is another revisit. This is the third time I come over here. However, I have some serious public records that I want to obtain. So I said instead of doing it over the phone or over email, I'm gonna go ahead and file them in person.
Excuse me, sir. Over here for me, please. Thank you. Okay, any new COVID symptoms? After you go through security, you'll be the first room on the right side. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Where are you going today?
I gotta go to a few different offices.
Where you know where to go?
Yeah, I know where to go.
Okay, any new COVID symptoms?
Not at all.
All right, have a great day.
You too. Yeah, I'm not like one of the other idiots that walks through here all day long doing all that extra dumb shit. Scan.
Your temperature is normal. Your temperature is normal.
I am in my uniform 4.0 and I do have my clipboard with me. Let me put my shit through here. Pause. Just to let you boys know that I am recording audio and video throughout my whole interaction here. All right. Okay. I just gotta go to the washroom real fast. This is the signs that they have here. County Assessor 149. Okay. Let me pause the video because I gotta go to the washroom. Okie doke, out the washroom. First thing I want to do is go to the clerk. County clerk is at 149. See, all these people got caught. I wish everybody in here pulls their cell phone out and records. Okay, 149. Room 149. Hey. $149. Oh, there it is. I never been to that one. I've been to the other room back that way. You know what? Meanwhile, let me go live as well. Let me go live because when I start filing this documentation, I want to make sure that I'm not getting anything, or none of these officials are getting anything misconstrued. So pause. Okay, all right. Before I go to the clerks, let me go ahead and go to the sheriff's. I was trying to go live on my other device, but the internet is not working here. So let me go ahead and go to the county police station, sheriff's office, and file these or let them know. Oh, sheriff's, okay. Here's the sheriff's office. Good morning.
Good morning.
How you doing, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm just now informing you, my good man, that I will be recording audio and video
You got it, brother.
throughout my entire interaction.
You got it.
If you got anybody from any of the offices call, please verify. Did this man say anything that violated the law? Did he break the law? Did he do any? No, then he's good to film.
I got you.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it.
You remember from last time?
I remember you, man.
Okay, my good man, what I'm gonna need to do is I'm gonna need to file some Freedom of Information form for this department as well, which is the sheriff's
Okay, you
department.
want to stop on your way out? We'll take care of it on the way out.
Yeah, that's
Sound good?
possible. Yeah. Yeah, sure. I'm going to be filing a bunch of Freedom of Information requests
Okay.
in multiple departments.
Okay.
Okay. I know that one guy up there. He's real
Yeah, I've been there.
hard guy, man.
I got you.
Hard-headed guy. Anyhow, my good man.
I got you, and if you remember from last time, you didn't hear the last comment I made to you.
What was that?
When I said that it was a disturbance.
Sure.
Remember that part?
Okay.
And you said, that's a crime? Well, it's not a crime, but I said, I didn't say you were the one that caused the disturbance.
You know,
You
a
didn't
lot
hear
of
that.
a lot of people, they liked your attitude. A
Yeah.
lot of people seen that
Yeah,
that interaction.
yeah, so.
You know,
If there's any problems, we'll take care of it.
my man, my man,
Right?
my
Do what
good
you gotta
man.
do,
Thank
enjoy
you.
your day. We'll see you on the way out.
Sure. Take
Okay.
care. Okay. So I will be filing complaints today, judicial and circuit. That sheriff over there, he seems like a fair man. Okay, let me inform these officers here as well. Hey, good morning. I'm going to be filing, letting you know I'm recording audio and video. I'm going to be filing some freedom of information. Is this the sheriff's office or police office?
Talk to the sheriff?
Yeah, I spoke to the sheriff already, but is this office right here, is this sheriff or police?
Do you need to talk to sheriff's police?
No, I need to file some freedom of information with multiple departments.
Okay, so you sheriff's police.
Yep.
Just knock on the door.
This door?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right. Hey, good morning. Are these for? Oh, okay. Never mind. Yeah. Told me to knock on the door there. So I have some. I wanted to speak with one of the police or the sheriffs here.
For what?
Just informing you that I am recording
Why are you
audio.
recording here?
Yeah, I'm recording
So what do you
audio.
need? What do you need? Go ahead.
Okay, I'm recording audio and video for my entire interaction here. I'm going to be filing freedom of information requests with each department. I want to notify the police and the sheriffs that I am recording audio and video. That way, if there's any any public officials who have an issue with video, not to misrepresent that and try
What
to
are you
make it a
looking for,
crime.
so I could guide you to the right person.
Sure. Is your superior available?
No, you know, because you're not telling me what you're looking for.
I just told you.
Yeah, what do
I'm
you
asking.
need? What do you need so I could tell him?
I'd like to speak to your superior.
Well, he's not here right now.
Okay.
What is this about so I could inform him?
Freedom of information?
Yeah, so what do you need so I could inform him, hey, I got somebody here that needs something?
Yeah, I'd like to speak to them directly.
Okay. I'll give you a number, give me a second.
All right. How do you? What's your badge number, sir? Awad. Okay. Oh, and these pages are real cool because these make their own copies. So let me gather a few of these right here. Meanwhile, that officer up there, he was real cool, or on the other level. All right. Pause. You know what? Let me go ahead and conduct my business. Let me just wait for this superior to walk out here. Bear with me.
So here's the number. This is our radio room.
Okay.
So what you want to do, if you want to get the FOIA request, go
Mhm.
around to the other office.
Okay.
Oh, this guy. Go around to the other office. There's
Mhm.
a sergeant there, right?
Oh, sure. I
Alright.
spoke to Sergeant already. Sergeant White Shirt.
Okay. What's his name?
Um,
Sergeant. So just talk
Yeah,
to him.
real nice guy with the
Okay.
glasses, old man.
So with him, just speak to him. He'll
Sure.
give you the information. If he doesn't have it, the officer that's in here, he's not here right now.
Okay.
If you need to speak to a supervisor, call
Look at this.
number.
Look at this.
What?
That means yes, sir.
What is it? What do you mean? That means
That means yes, sir.
okay. Whatever that means.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I'm informing
Okay,
you.
Listen, you don't have to inform me nothing, because you already told me you're recording and all that. So am I.
Okay.
Right?
I want to obtain that camera as well.
No, You're doing a FOIA request.
That is correct.
Okay,
I'm
then.
doing multiple FOIA requests.
That's fine. Whatever you're doing it
Sir,
for.
there's no need for a bad
I
attitude
know,
this morning.
but you asked for information. That's the number for the radio room.
Okay.
CCSP radio. This is a
Awesome.
non-emergency.
Cool.
If you would like to speak to the supervisor, speak to him. Right?
Is the superintendent available?
We don't have superintendents.
Okay. The lady,
See-
I forgot what her first name is.
You asked for a
Very
supervisor.
wrong.
You have to go talk to this radio.
Okay, my man.
Okay.
This is the only reason. Let me summarize my visit here. The only reason I notified you that I am recording is because some
That's
offices.
your right. It's fine. It's
Sure.
fine.
Some offices and officials may not feel comfortable with that and
It
cause.
doesn't matter to me.
Right.
People can record me all
Yes,
day, all right?
absolutely, my man. That's
All
what
right.
I like to hear
All right.
from you.
So, you asked for a FOIA request. Right now, the office that's in here, because there's paperwork, he's not here right now. You can keep that.
Absolutely,
Keep
my
that
man.
paper.
My man.
So go around to the other desk. You
Okay.
want me to show you? Come
No,
here.
no. I know what I need to do next. I just wanted to
I'll show you the
inform.
room. Come on.
The clerk's room.
Right there was the sheriff's.
Mm-hmm.
Just go in there. The sergeant's gonna give you a piece of paper. If he can't do it, he's gonna direct you
Okay, my
to
man.
the right person. all right?
I don't need to do that,
All
but
right,
you
you
have
have
a
a good day.
blessed day. Likewise.
All right.
Okay. What current time do you have?
I don't know.
All right.
I'm recording. It says it on your phone, right?
You got it.
Okay.
It's very important to conduct your official business
How you guys doing?
while recording. Okay. Vital records, assessors. Put out my other phone meanwhile.
4146. 345 Yes.
Excuse me, boss. Where's the county clerk? This line here? Oh, man.
University.
Sir, you cannot record in the office.
I can, sir. Ask the sheriff.
James.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
You cannot record in the office, sir.
Currently Buffalo Grove. You're in Illinois. Korea, South Korea. Helen? L-E-N.
I do have permission to record, sir.
Cho, C-H-O. H-O. Yes.
I'm just here to see the clerk. The clerk of Cook County here. And I am able to. Okay, I am able to record. I also have other business to conduct here. Why don't you go verify that I am able to record so you could get back to your job? We've been through this before, and you see me come in last time and record, sir. Do not make something a crime of some constitutional protection activity, sir. Go ahead and verify. There goes an officer there. Yes, I am. Thank you for verifying. As long as there's no disturbances or crimes. Okay, let's get back to the job.
From my understanding, this happened before and it was,
Yes, absolutely. Okay, let's talk in there. Thank you. So now please don't ever forget that. I will always conduct my business here while recording. You want to cause a scene and try to get me in trouble. That's not going to happen. I'll meet you at the counter, sir. That's the walk of shame there. It's the walk of shame. Sure. Walk of shame.
Oh, sorry, I haven't heard it.
And what do you need, sir?
Yes, sir. Can I start off with having the direct email for the clerk?
We don't have her direct email.
Okay, could you get that, please?
We don't have the direct email.
Who would be
You
able
can go
to?
to our website and you can give all the information in there.
County clerk.
Karen Yarbrough.
Okay. And what's the Freedom of Information email?
Do not know, sir.
So where do I file a Freedom of
You can
Information?
go to our website, countyclerk.com.
I'm currently not using online if you're able to pull that information up. What's your first name?
My name is Jose,
Jose, what's your job title?
supervisor.
Supervisor of what?
Do you need anything? We need a birth certificate. What do you need, sir?
I need to file Freedom of Information.
You could go downtown and you can talk to them.
Okay, that's not the way it goes, sir. You are the supervisor of what?
Of county clerk's office.
County clerk office?
Do you need a birth certificate, marriage?
Okay. I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll go ahead and submit a Freedom of Information request with the
Go ahead.
assessor here. Okay? He feels salty and he has a bad attitude. See the sheriff over there at the front. She said, yeah, I think we went through that last time and they are allowed to film.
You need the assessor?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have an appointment?
No appointment, nope.
Okay, come over here, I have to make you one.
1 second, please.
But he's not even conducting business. He's just asking for info, but the info that we don't have.
No, that's not true, sir. I am conducting business.
Appreciate it.
Ma'am, I am conducting business. I'm notifying you that I'm filing Freedom of Information forms. And at this point now, because this man just stated a lie, I'm going to be filing a complaint on him. Did you verify that I am able to record in this office? Absolutely. Okay. Walk of shame.
Hello,
Hi, ma'am.
I can fit you in for an appointment. What do you need to do?
Okay, what I like, ma'am, is first and foremost the town clerk's direct email address.
Town clerk.
Yeah, the county clerk.
That's that office over there.
Okay, this man, he's not assisting me. I explained to him at this second I'm currently not using online. I asked him a simple question for 2 emails, clerk's email and Freedom of Information email. Is there any way you could provide that information to me?
Which freedom of information for what office?
For Cook County.
No.
Oh, there's by department?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
By office.
Sure. Well, 2 offices: the recorder, the assessors, and the clerks.
Okay, I can only give you mine.
Okay, that's fine.
So, first I have to put you in for an appointment that I'm waiting on you, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Forget about the appointment. Them emails alone, I'll be able to work with them emails.
Okay, but because I'm helping you, I need to put it in that I'm helping you.
For us to assist you, sir, we do it
Yeah.
by appointment only.
Okay, I tell you what. Do you have an actual Freedom of Information form?
No,
No. Where can I get that at?
downtown Chicago at Freedom of Information.
Online. If you go to cookcountyassessor.com.
Okay. I am also able to file a Freedom of Information on non-designated form, also in person. So what I would be doing is I would be filing some blank paperwork here and provide those copies to any staff member here to receive.
Not here, you do it downtown.
Okay.
So it's at 118 North Clark.
Uh-huh.
We're on the 3rd floor,
Okay.
By appointment only.
and by appointment only.
That's not true, ma'am. Are you referring to Mark Koss, the Freedom of Information officer? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Since
It is by appointment now because of COVID. We are still doing it by appointment only.
and where's that policy reference?
It's online.
Okay.
You can go online.
Could you give me a printout of that? Because I'm currently at this second not using online.
All right, thank you.
This right here. Okay, cool.
I don't have a, sir, I don't have a copy of the policy. You have to get that from downtown.
Okay, anyhow, could you go ahead and provide me with those emails, please?
I don't have the clerk's freedom of information. It's a different office. You'll have to call the county clerk downtown.
What's that phone number?
312
No.
312
Okay.
603
Uh-huh.
5656.
5656. That's the direct number to who?
County clerk.
Oh, county clerk. Okay. County clerk. Okay. Still, regardless, what I'm going to be doing is filing freedom of information on blank forms right now. Going to sit out there in the lobby, fill them out, and then provide those copies to any staff member here.
You have to take them
And
downtown.
I'm going to leave them here on the counter here, and I'll notify public access counselor that I did do that.
What do you want to do?
Hold on, sir.
Sure. Because according to the Freedom of Information Act 140, I am able to do that at any agency, government at all levels. What's your first name, ma'am?
Maureen.
Maureen? If you're able to make a phone call and provide me with that email address, that would be all I would
Not
need.
for the clerk.
No, for the Freedom of Information
That's
Officer.
what she's doing
Oh,
now.
cool,
I'm gonna
cool.
get everything for you.
Thank you. It's a picture of the assessor, and there's the clerk.
Sure, we'll take your information, we'll send it downtown for you. In addition, I'll give you
Sure.
the house's phone number. And
Okay.
I'll give you the email for freedom of information.
Absolutely. I thank you so much. That
Just let us know when you're ready, when you want to turn in the paperwork.
okay.
So, you can
If you're able to provide me with that information, then I'll go ahead and forward over this documentation here. See, that's what my initial visit was for, and you're going ahead and granting that request. This gentleman right here doesn't know what he's talking about. He's making false claims. And anyhow, I'll go ahead and do that. I'll go ahead and file those documentations.
Okay, we'll forward it downtown for you.
Okay, cool. That's what the statute specifies, and I thank you for doing the part of your job task. However, meanwhile, could you go ahead and provide me with that email address and direct phone number? Thank you. See, this dude right here just opened an investigation on his own self for thinking he's You know, the thing is, ma'am, I did already forward several emails, freedom of information, to that office there, where there was no response whatsoever.
Officer, to the assessor's office or to the clerk?
FOIA officer.
But we each have our own FOIA office.
Sure, but there was no response at all.
Well,
To
who did you
which office?
submit it to?
So-
Assessor or to clerk?
No, freedom of information officer. About
Understanding.
yeah.
Okay.
Every office has their own freedom.
Yeah, but the records that I was seeking at that time were from the Freedom of Information office.
From which office?
Um,
Was it the county clerk's office through Freedom, or was it the?
The assessor.
Yeah. We each have our own
treasurer.
department.
okay, ma'am, either way it goes, whatever department receives a Freedom of Information, they have to at least respond.
I understand that.
Yeah.
But what I'm trying to get to understand what you're doing is you're telling me you submitted a FOIA request.
That is
I
correct.
need to know what department did you do it with the county clerk? Did you submit it with the assessor's office? Did you submit it with the recorder of deeds? What office did you submit a FOIA request?
It was with the directly with the Freedom of Information officer, Mark Koss.
Okay, that's the assessor's office.
Oh, okay.
So Mark Koss works for the county assessor's office.
Sure.
So that I'm gonna give you the information. You can submit whatever you're submitting for FOIA
Okay.
request through us. We'll send it downtown for you.
Okay. Let me ask you a question. Now I am aware that each department has their own Freedom of Information email and officer.
Yes.
I look-
Oh, a department, not.
Okay,
city
department.
officer.
I did look online for that information, was not able to find that anywhere. If you're able to give me a printout of all emails by departments,
I cannot do that. I don't have access. I don't have that information.
okay, where can a requester obtain that information?
Through Freedom.
Okay. Because you see, the city of Chicago has FOIA emails by department, by each department. It's nice and categorized, but Cook County's not providing any of that information.
Do you have a? I could give if you have a particular department. I could tell you like I could
What the
tell you-
direct email is? Okay, sure. Assessor, clerk, and treasurer. Assessor, clerk, and treasurer.
Okay, we don't have a generic email that just goes to.
He wants all three departments.
No. I can only address. I want to address our office.
I can get in treasurer.
Yeah, we have with the Cook County Assessor's Office.
Mhm.
You can go online.
Here's the
Our
treasurer's
webpage
webpage.
is.
Okay,
You can
but
go
that's a
on-
website. That's not a FOIA email.
You have to email them and request, or if you go on their webpage, there should be a place
Okay.
that says FOIA.
Okay. Anyhow, ma'am, I'll wait for that documentation that you provide, or the handwritten information that you.
Just give me one.
Sure. Thank you. What's your job title?
Taxpayer specialist.
Oh.
Senior taxpayer specialist.
Okay, cool. If that's the case, I'd like to ask you a question. You may answer, may not. It's up to you. However, what specific record gives jurisdiction of the county to assess property?
You have to go through legal for that.
Okay, that's fine. That's good enough. Also, don't you believe that in order for an assessment to be created, it has to have a return?
What do you mean a return? I don't understand.
Like some type of tax return. It has to have some type of numbers in order for a tax assessor to make an assessment. Does the county
Again, you'd have to talk to legal
okay,
about that.
all right.
I'm actually giving you. I'm gonna give you Mark Koss's phone number as well.
Okay. Thanks.
We'll be right with you, sir.
Sure.
Good morning.
Are you here for the assessor?
I'm trying to get my disabled veterans benefit.
Okay, do you have an appointment with us?
No, I don't.
Need to make you an appointment. If you come step over here, please.
Pause.
I'm gonna give you Freedom of Information's email,
Sure.
Mark Koss, which is the manager,
Okay.
and
Awesome.
Bear with me, and I'll get that information, and the phone number for Mark.
I thank you. Did you briefly get a chance to speak to Mark Koss right now?
I have not spoken to Mark, no, sir.
Okay.
It was already on the bill.
Giving you, because
Let me check and I'll show you.
so any FOIA
I
request,
got-
you can do it online. If you go to cookcountyassessor.com, just type in there freedom of information. It'll take you right to that page. Okay.
So
Mark
19,
Koss,
there
as
was
you know,
nothing
you said his name,
to
so
give
apparently
you.
you spoke
I
to
mean,
him
you
before.
didn't get it.
This is his direct
But I
email. This
need
is Mike Beaver's
something
direct
that
email. This
says-
is Mark Koss's direct
Let
phone
me see
number.
what this
Okay.
says.
However, ma'am, it's not the direct Freedom of Information email is not listed here.
No, because it's done through online.
Okay, but
I don't have the direct email. You're gonna do it through cookcountyassessor.com.
My
Okay.
disability
Are you not able to
started
get a
in
hold of Mark
1996.
Koss and get a hold of
Yes.
that email? It used to be an email was
80 and then 100 because
it was
I'm
an email. I
unemployed,
forgot what it was,
so
but it was a
I'm at
.gov email.
100%.
And like I said,
For
Well,
freedom?
anything
Yeah.
over 70 is the same,
Okay, but
okay?
I'm at
Close.
100.
That one, I believe it's, the point of contact is through the internet. So through the webpage, I'm verifying everything, so.
cool.
But from what they're saying, the point of contact is through the webpage, and what happens is you submit the request, and then you get a, email, that at that point, you'll get something to communicate.
See, here's the thing, ma'am. In the past, I did use the online portal, and I did receive a response. Recently, I used the online portal. I did not receive any response, and I also used the direct email address, which in the past I received records, and I did not get a response to at this time. So it's like there's something going on, and that's if a FOIA officer does not respond at all via online portal or direct email.
Okay.
Also, let me ask you another question, ma'am. When I do complete filling these out, you stated that you will be forwarding over to the other office. In what means would you be forwarding them over via?
We have employees that come here to pick up our mail
Okay,
for our downtown office.
sure. So it won't be faxed or emailed. All right. Ma'am. See, the thing is that the state statutes, Illinois 140 FOIA Act specifies that I'm able to forward over any document to any agency at government at all levels. So that means I could talk to the superintendent of streets and sanitation on the street and hand him a form, and he'll go, when he gets back to the office, forward it over to the proper custodian.
1926.
Pause.
Okay.
Okay,
I put my contact information on these forms.
Barbara J. Cushing,
and this is the one from 17, 2017.
Meanwhile, ma'am, could you identify this gentleman here? What's his last name?
The gentleman over there,
Yeah, Jose.
Jose,
What's his last name?
I don't know his last name.
Okay. He's refusing to provide that information. He was making false claims saying that I'm not here to conduct business. However, that was a complete lie, so. And what was your first name and job duty, ma'am?
My name is Julie Hernandez, and I'm the supervisor, and then for the assessor's office here at the Skokie branch.
Okay, cool. So if I did like to make an appointment with the assessor, is that the assessor there? Oh, okay. And what's the procedure about doing that?
The piece of paper I gave
To
you?
make an appointment to actually speak to the defendant?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. I've never had a request to actually speak one-on-one with the assessor. I
Okay.
would imagine, you can give me your information and I can email downtown.
Sure. Because
When
you see,
give that to me, when you turn it in, I'll just forward the
here,
information.
okay. Here's the
stating
thing.
that the assessor would like
The
to-
freedom of
would
info.
like to speak to the assessor.
Yep, here's the thing, ma'am. The freedom of information, it's not for asking questions, it's for obtaining records. I'm sure you're aware of that.
So, yeah.
However, there's a few questions that it seems like none of the staff members that work for Cook County are able to answer, and it's questions of the assessor's work. So that's why maybe I'm able to do an appointment so I could ask the assessor of Cook County specific questions. Maybe he'll be able to answer.
Okay.
Yep. But I may do that at a later time. I'll just go ahead and wait for these responses. That way I can have the records obtained before I'm able to make an appointment.
Okay.
Yep. If you like, ma'am, meanwhile, I do have these finalized. If you're able to just press stamp them with the date on there and provide 3 copies for me and 3 copies for your records. Sure. Okay, ma'am, I'm just going to read this aloud because my handwriting is neat here. List roster of all employees and job duties of Cook County. Copy.
Cook County Assessor.
No, Cook County in general. I'll wait for the response. Or you know what?
Okay.
I'll go ahead and put assessor. Okay, cool. Copy of Cook County liability insurance. Any bar grievances associated with public. Any bar grievances associated with public defender David Dunn, Skokie location. All properties of evictions due to non-payment of property taxes in 2015. Sheriff badge number body cam with that information there. That's going to one email. The second email is FOIA log for the year of 2020. All direct emails of FOIA by each department, what you referred me to, including all office phone numbers. Number 3, Cook County Assessor last 20 emails sent and received. Cook County Clerk sent and received emails. Public Defender sent and received emails include attachments. That's that email there. So the first email is prompt analysis at Proton Mail. The second email is US Public Record at Gmail. I put here, please include a copy of this page to the response, and the response is due July 19th for each one of these. And the third and final, provide me records that give the county, listen to this carefully because you work in this department, provide me record or records that the Cook County has jurisdiction to assess any property. Provide me the return that was filed on property with that address there, for which the assessment was created. Number 3, a list of all tax exempt PINs in that year. Number 4 and 5, last 20 cases involving David Dunn, public defender, and last 20 emails sent and received by Jose, this gentleman here, in office 149, because I feel he conspired against my rights. Anyhow, those are 3 separate emails, 5 requests for this email, FOIA auditor at Gmail, 5 for this email, 5 for this email.
Okay. I'm
Okay.
going to give you copies and
Sure.
I'll time stamp them, and I will
Please.
send them downtown to our FOIA.
Okay, cool. And meanwhile, I'll be back momentarily if they called and return that, because I have to go to another office. And again, ma'am, I thank you for your kind and professional act and services. I may put you a 5-star review on Yelp.
Yep.
Keyword, maybe.
That's okay. You don't have to do that. You take it off.
Yep, thanks.
This is yearly total. 18 is based on 17. I mean, if you wanna take home, you just wait till your plan to come back. You wanna take them home and come back? Alright.
Could I have one of those tall envelopes or no? These right here?
No, these are our dockets.
Oh, never mind, never mind.
From, yeah, for income tax.
Pause. This form was right here. Is it for someone to keep or no?
No, that's ours.
Oh, never mind.
So this is, I
Timestamp
gave
right
you
there.
timestamp
Cool.
3 copies.
Okay, ma'am. You kept 3 for you, right?
I don't keep 3 for me. These go
No,
downtown.
right, for your officers.
I don't
Yep.
keep 3. I'm sending what you get. What
Yeah,
you're
sure.
giving me, I'm sending directly.
Oh, I only
downtown.
needed 1 of each, but it's okay.
Oh, I thought you said 3 for
No, it's okay. Anyhow, ma'am, I'll be back momentarily by the time they
Okay.
call.
Okay.
All right, ma'am.
Let me just make sure I have your information.
Sure. Emails, if you want to read them aloud. one of the emails FOIA auditor at
No,
Gmail?
no, no, I want your personal information,
Oh.
so they can contact you.
No. The only thing that the state statutes requires, Illinois Act,
How are they gonna contact you?
email. Send over the record sought via email.
But, oh, I see, these are different, okay. All right, I'll send
3
it
different
sometime.
emails. Okay, ma'am. Again, thank you. I'll be back momentarily. Now this guy began an investigation on himself. Okay. Awesome. She gave me copies of all that. Now what I need to do is I need to head over here to the other clerk's office that they got over here. See, they wanted my contact. They think when I say, yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, just like a cop when he copsplained and says, yeah, we'll go, just wait, we'll go ahead and provide you with this. I told him, yeah, sure, I'll provide you with my contact information. Last thing they know, they only received my email. Okay, anyhow, I wanted to see if there's any bar grievances. But there's the sheriff's office there. I need to go to this office right here, clerk. Because last time I served a complaint to the one of these new guys that works here, and they never responded. They never responded at all. So let me see if I put right in here. Hang on, let me pause this. So as far as the attorney who put on that shit show, I may be filing a bar grievance. That way they would have to get in contact with his direct insurance, drop him from having his bar card. Oh, that guy did the right thing. He closed his door. Waiting for this damn clerk. Hi, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, the young man the new guy that works in here, is he available?
Why are you videoing?
This is for my interaction here, ma'am. I'm able to record in here.
I'm gonna have to wait and have you talk to him.
Okay.
Generally, we don't allow people to video us.
It is allowed, ma'am. But anyhow, I'll
So
go ahead.
you wanna talk to him?
The young man, yes, ma'am. There's a new guy that started working here not too long ago.
Okay.
I forgot what his first name is, but anyhow, that's who I need
What's
to speak
your
to.
name?
I did not provide that.
Oh,
I'm filing freedom of information is not required.
Okay, so you're videoing me, but you're can't give me.
That is correct. Chief Deputy Clerk, Assistant Clerk.
He'll be right with you.
Okay, sure. What's do you have what is the clerk? Is that the clerk there? The
He'll
yup.
talk to you,
All
okay?
right. All right.
How you doing?
Hey, how's it going? There was a young man in here. He started a job maybe about 6 months ago. Is he still working on the job?
He's still on the job, but he's not at this location no more.
Okay, see, here's the thing, my good man. At that time, I served the gentleman with some freedom of information request, and I never got a response. I did receive copies with his signature on it. That's the reason for my visit here.
Well, you could send your request
Mm-hmm.
to the Daily Center,
Okay.
10th floor, room 1006, the main office.
If
I don't
you-
know who you would contact over
Sure.
there.
If you're able, kindly, sir, to provide me with a direct email address, that'll be all I would need.
A direct email address to who?
To the FOIA officer of Cook County.
That you can request, that information is online,
Okay.
and,
Currently, at this second, sir, I'm not using online. If you're able to do a printout of that.
you could use the computers right over there,
Oh,
and
sure.
you can find all the information on there.
Is that access to Cook County?
Yeah, it's Cook
Okay.
County, yeah.
My man. I'll go ahead and do that, sir.
Okay.
What's your first name?
My name is Louis.
And you're the chief deputy clerk?
That is correct.
Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you.
here.
All right. Let me use these online portals that they got right here. This one or this one? This one. Pause. See, I did not wait in that goofy line up there because I'm conducting other business. Which one is the guest portal?
For civil case?
For what?
For civil case?
No, for freedom of information.
No, you can't use.
Is it
Go
that?
outside.
Which computer? No.
Out.
The clerk right now just told me that I'm able to sit on this computer here.
Okay, go and call her to help you.
Oh, he's the man right there with the glasses, the bald head guy.
He told you?
Yes.
Okay.
If you're able to ask what's the access password or whatever.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Go over there and ask him.
No, he already told me. Let me see. Would you like?
It just says right there that I have. When is that date? 2 years. Is that 2 years? Coming up in August.
Is this criminal case?
No.
Trying to get the paperwork now.
What kind of case?
Freedom of information.
Freedom of information.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. At least we know what we got. Right. That's why again, the disposition. While you're recording me.
Huh?
While you're recording me.
No, I'm not recording you. I'm recording.
No, we didn't get the, what happened is we have, one of them was my daughter's, one of my daughter's, how do you call that? Child support fees.
No, don't come inside.
Oh no, I'm standing right here. Oh, here's the gentleman right here, ma'am.
We got married.
Hey, boss man, this young lady likes to know which computer terminal did you?
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna,
If dude keeps.
Number 8.
I'm sorry, what?
Number 8.
Number 8, thank you.
You're welcome.
Are you filming?
Yes, I
Can you
am.
move your camera that way because I don't want to be on video?
Okay, ma'am, then don't engage me.
Okay.
Okay, don't engage me with a bad attitude.
I'm sorry.
That's right. She just got shut down, did a walk of shame. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Nice man. He's a nice gentleman. He's well informed with the state statutes and laws. Pause. I wanted to ask, sir, what's your government issued direct email? Sure.
That's who you would have to contact.
Okay.
Of the clerk's office, clerk of the circuit
Let me
court.
ask you a question, my good man. Does your business card have your direct government issued email?
I don't have a business card.
No. What's your direct
Clerk
email?
of the circuit court.
Mm-hmm.
It's clerk of the circuit court at cookcountycourt.com.
Oh, that's a website.
Yeah,
Oh,
right here, just like that.
Okay.
You can put it on there. You can put it on there and put District 2 on there, and then it goes.
Maybe internet.
What do you mean?
Internet. Oh, right here. I could go to put that website from right here. But do you have a direct email address?
That if you put it for District 2, that comes up to me.
Okay, my man. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I could navigate through the website.
Let's see.
Because you see, here's the issue, sir. I've sent over Freedom of Information requests multiple times, and I never got a response, which is a violation of the state statutes.
Well, I see, I'm no attorney, sir, so I would be lost.
But you do have an oath of office, correct?
Huh?
You do have an oath of office?
Yeah, but like I said, I'm no attorney,
Okay,
so I don't want to be answering questions,
sure. I hear you.
you know, that I could give you the wrong information.
Yes, sir. But I know for a fact you have a direct email address.
This is who you send your stuff to.
Oh, okay, cool. Let's see.
Let's see, hold on a second. What's the chief information officer?
This is a public portal?
Yeah.
Okay. And what does the printout cost?
That, I don't know.
All right. Oh, I think I could navigate through there.
Okay,
Yep.
there you go.
That's got all the info. My man.
Yep.
I thank you so much. Good to meet you. Okay, hopefully I could get some information on here that's not available anywhere else. Because this looks like a direct. Okay. Oh, good information for Inspector General. Inspector General. Here, let's get all the. Okay. Executive Office. Alright, cool. I need these numbers. Public Policy. See all those people standing in line over there? I just cut right through because, again, they're doing one thing. I'm doing something that they never done or do, which is the freedom of information. But I encourage everybody to file that anyway. Oh, employee directory. Let's see, DUNN. Okay. Is this District 2, ma'am? This is District 2?
Yeah, District 2.
Alright.
District 2 is 4 people house.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's right. Okay. I'm taking photos of all this district information, so I could go ahead and send out a letter via USPS mail, or let's say District 2. Okay. Oh, Gilberto. Okay, here's what we need. Here's what we need. All these emails here. Okay, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So now I can send FOIAs directly to these emails. seeing the email that the guy just didn't give me. It's right here. Assistant. Oh no, that's not Theodore. Okay, cool. Oh, that's in Markham. Okay, good. At least I could forward over emails. If they don't respond, I'll send it over to multiple agencies where they'll be put in a bind where they have to respond. Okay, cool. Beautiful. Okay, I got everything I need here. Okay, that's all I need anyway. I gotta go to the washroom, use the washroom, then I'll be on my way. But you know what? Let me do something.
So once we get the email back with the file stamp, we'll email the file stamp over there and go.
Cook County FOIA email. See, it's not giving me no direct email.
Alright, so here's what's gonna happen next. Check your email.
Okay, anyhow, pause. So as you know, folks, if you're watching the previous video, you'll know that they gave me an issue when I was first walking in to initially film here 3 videos ago. However, now they're all informed because of me that anybody could come in here and record. They say just do not record in there goes public defender's office there. They just say do not record in the courtroom. However, this is all administrative junk anyway. So, anyway, I gotta go over to the attorney's office over here to see if they got a direct email, because the lady downstairs still till yet has not provided me with one. And the attorneys over here, they may have a direct email. I mean, they have to have a direct email, but we don't know. Social Service Department. Okay. Oh, there it is, state's attorney. Okay, good. Okay, this is the state's attorney's office here. Let's see. documentation. What's that? Waiting to be assisted. That's a good one. Let's see what she says. Hi, ma'am. Ma'am, I need the direct email for the Freedom of Information request for Cook County.
Well, I don't know what that is. Nobody's ever asked for that.
Oh, if you could find out, please.
I'll ask.
Sure. It's the most powerful thing out there is the Freedom of Information Act. Nobody ever asked for that. Oh, shit. Pause.
Contact the police department, whatever information you're interested in.
Which police department?
Are you interested in a case, or what are you interested in?
Freedom of Information email.
Because we don't have one.
Okay. Is this the state's attorney for county or city? County. Okay. So how does the county send back and forth emails via Freedom of Information?
We don't do, they probably do it downtown. We don't do that.
Okay.
here.
Anyhow,
Let me ask the supervisor.
please. Thank you.
I don't know.
Okay. Close.
Yeah, the supervisor told me the same thing I told you. If you're interested, you'd have to go to each police department, and they have like something, a form or something you could fill out.
Okay, that's
I
fine.
don't know
Anyhow.
if it's a case you
No,
want.
ma'am. Are you familiar with what Freedom of Information is?
Oh, yeah, I know what
Yeah.
that is.
It's gonna have a direct email for the assessor or for the clerk. I'll go ahead and ask a different department.
Yeah,
Okay.
the clerk's office is downstairs.
Sure.
I don't know if they have anything, but the county does not have anything.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you. All right. All right. That's not true. However, let me go back downstairs, grab that information from the lady that put me on hold, so I could be on my way. Oh, building and zoning. Let me see if I could do an inspection on ordinances. Oh, here's the unincorporated map. Hi, ma'am. I'd like to do an inspection on the zoning and ordinance book for the county.
Okay. And you're from,
What do you mean?
where are you from?
Where I'm from?
Yeah. I mean, you're coming from, where, this is for what?
In regards to public record access.
All right, you'll have to go downtown. I'll give you the number of someone to call downtown.
Is the book not readily available here?
I wouldn't know.
Okay, so who would know?
That's the name I'm gonna give you.
Okay,
I'm gonna give
I
you
was
one.
told, ma'am, I'm able to also do an inspection here because this is a county, this is building and zoning. So that book should be readily available. I have to inspect the book.
I'll give you the phone for somebody to call. And if they give me information on if I can allow you in, will we inform that you were coming today?
Sure. I'm not, no, nope.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Sure, yep, if you're able to obtain that, I could, inspect the book momentarily, take a few digital photocopies.
And again, you're from which corporation or company or,
None at all, ma'am, none at all.
so where are you from? You're just a citizen?
Yeah, I don't answer any questions. Okay, verify, please. What's your job title? How much is a copy of a map like this? So all this land.
The number somebody can call you?
Nope, nope.
You want access to what book?
Zoning and ordinances?
Zoning ordinance.
Yes, ma'am.
Hey, Sam, how you doing? Not bad. I have a gentleman here, in the office who's looking to have access to the zoning and ordinance book. He won't tell me where he's. Okay.
I'm currently not using online.
Okay.
I'd
You
like.
have to, it's online.
I'd like to look at the hard copy.
We don't have a book. It's online. You have to go online and look at it.
Ma'am, there's got to be a hard copy book.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Sam. Okay, bye. Alright, so it's online. You're welcome to look at it online. If you can't have access to it, I'll give you the number of someone to call, and they can probably get you a copy.
Okay, what's your job duty?
I'm just a clerk. Here, take down the phone number. I'm not allowed to answer any questions either. Call Rubina
Okay.
Alan.
Could you write that down for me?
Well, you're writing it down.
Ha-
Rubina,
Uh-huh.
last name Alam,
Okay.
phone number 312
Mm-hmm.
603
Okay.
0503.
0503. And what's that person's job duty?
She's an assistant to the commissioner.
Assistant commissioner.
Are you
Okay.
taking this?
This is audio and video. Yes, ma'am. That is correct. How much is a copy of this
What I
map?
have no idea.
Okay. Anyhow, I'll go ahead and give this young lady a call here. You did tell me that you don't answer any questions. So what do you do here then if you don't answer any questions?
If you tell me where you're from, maybe I can help you answer some questions.
Well, that's not required, ma'am. I have the freedom of.
I really don't know.
Okay. Anyhow, what I'll do is I'll go ahead and call this number that you provided and see if they're able to provide me a copy. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Zoom room. No, thank you. Okay. Let me go over here and get that information. There goes that number there. I feel bad for all these helpless people waiting to go to court. Okay, this big goofball up right here.
Okay, so once again, I'm giving you the emails for cookcountyassessor.com,
Okay.
and that you can go and access the Freedom of Information site and request any FOIA requests through there.
I just left the public terminal. Deputy clerk put his information in, let me scroll through the information on the portal. However, I was not able to locate that. However, you forwarding those over, they should respond to my email, and with that email, I could always resend FOIAs. right? Because once those freedom of information that you gave me a copy of, those reach the FOIA officers, they'll be able to respond, and whatever email.
The Freedom of Information Department will tell you how to do it.
Yeah.
I don't want to give you the wrong information.
No,
I don't
but
work for FOIA.
Yeah, the documents that you forward over, they have to respond to. So once they respond to, I'll go ahead and respond any future FOIAs to the same email they respond with.
Ask them if that's okay, because there's a procedure that you have to follow.
Not a problem.
Okay? This is Freedom of Information's website. I'm going to give you this paper.
Cool.
Okay? Mark Cross is the supervisor. Mike Beaver's the assistant.
Sure.
Okay, so that's the information you need.
Did you speak to Mike Koss or Michael Beaver?
I haven't spoken to any of them.
Who did you speak to?
Who did I speak to downtown?
Yeah.
I spoke to my manager,
Okay.
who gave me the information.
Is there a first name?
Capri.
C-A-R.
No, K. K-A-P.
R-I?
Mhm.
Okay, cool. Manager. Good
Yes.
enough, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you again. Have a good day. Okay, that. See, let me let you folks know. I could serve this gentleman right here with the Freedom of Information form, and on clock dime, he'll be able to forward that over to the proper custodian. It looks like he's the janitor. I could see this janitor right here on the street. As long as he's on clock dime, I'm able to hand him over a piece of paper. You smell me? Cook County Sheriff. Okay. Okay, that. However, I may be doing a revisit to the David Dunn's office up there. If I got somebody with me, that way we'll have multiple angles. So that about it. Other than that, it was an overall fair. A1. Only thing was that one clown. You know. Okay. Have a good day, boys.
Take care, sir.
Okay. That. Have a good day, sir. You too. That, folks. Like, comment, subscribe, share. All of them always encourages you to audit them. Love.